We're learning more about the measles-related deaths in Pennsylvania Tuesday. The Department of Health told us both individuals were from Lancaster County, tested positive for measles, and were unvaccinated. But since then, there's been some dispute over whether those people actually died as a result of measles. The department uses the term measles-associated death when there is scientific evidence of the disease, even if a coroner or other official doesn't say measles was the immediate cause of death. The health department says only one of these deaths is under investigation by the Lancaster County coroner. It says the coroner is reviewing the death of an infant who had measles, but the Lancaster County coroner tells ABC 27 no deaths attributed to measles have been referred or investigated by the office.
Well, Lancaster County Commissioner Josh Parsons is criticizing the Shapiro administration for yesterday's press conference on the deaths in Lancaster. Parsons, a Republican, was concerned that Governor Shapiro would only say the two were unvaccinated, citing privacy concerns. He wants to know more about the deaths.
We learned through COVID that public officials need to be transparent and they need to put out all the facts. And they can, under the law, release more information. You cannot stand up there and make a big announcement and then not release any surrounding information around it and basically say, oh, it's all top secret.
Meanwhile, U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is also calling out Governor Shapiro. The secretary says he called the governor earlier. He posted on X. Governor Shapiro also accused me of promoting vaccine misinformation. When I asked him for an example, he was unable to provide one. But this did not deter him from publicly repeating that accusation during his press event. The secretary also went on to make claims about the measles vaccine in that post. Governor Shapiro responded on X saying the secretary's post was inaccurate and misleading. He said that the secretary talked about fetal tissue during the call, which Shapiro says is debunked by doctors, writing, "Unfortunately, at a time where I needed the top health expert in the nation to responsibly work with us to deal with this outbreak, he instead chose to go down a rabbit hole of conspiracy theories and false claims."
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.